Welcome to nice algebra problem. Can you solve this type of problem? If you solve, tell me what is the value of A. Here question telling that 3 power A plus 2 power A is equal to 35. We want to find the value of L. Here condition telling that A is belong to natural number. A is greater than 0. So let us start solution. First of all, see here according to question 3 power A plus 2 power A is equal to 35. After that 3 power A whole power 1 plus 2 power A whole power 1 is equal to 35. Here 1 is equal to 3 divided by 3, cancel, left it 1. 3 power A whole power 3 divided by 3 plus 2 power A whole power 3 divided by 3 is equal to 35. After that A power n whole power m, that will be written as A power n into m. Therefore, 3 power A divided by 3 whole power 3 plus 2 power A divided by 3 whole power 3 is equal to 35. After that, see here 3 power A divided by 3, 2 power A divided by 3. So let we assume that 3 power A divided by 3 is equal to x, 2 power A divided by 3 is equal to y. Therefore, x cube plus y cube is equal to 35. So here this is in the form of bracket open x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square bracket close is equal to 35. After that x plus y is greater than x square minus xy plus y square. See x plus y greater than x square minus xy plus y square. So x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 35. Here how much factor of 35? See here first factor 35 into 1, 1 into 35, 5 into 7, 7 into 5. According to condition x plus y greater than x square minus xy plus y square. See here this condition not follow. This will be rejected. Only follow this case 1. This also follow the condition. The case 2. This not follow condition, so they will be rejected. Total case are 2. Case 1. Case 1 telling that bracket open x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 1 into 35. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 1. Here x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 35. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 1, both sides squaring. X plus y whole square is equal to 1 square. See here this is in the form of x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 1. Here x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 35. See here this will be written as x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 1. Subtract this. This will be 0. This will be minus 3xy. This will be 0. This will be how much? 34. Both side divided by minus 3. Minus 3. This cancel here. Xy is equal to how much? Minus 34 divided by 3. See here this is positive. This is negative. This will be less than 0. This is less than 0. So here condition telling that x is greater than 0, y also greater than 0. So they will be rejected. Case 1. After that, case 2. Case 2 telling that x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 5 into 7. Here x plus y is equal to 5. X square minus xy plus y square is equal to 7. Here x plus y is equal to 5, both sides squaring. Therefore, Here x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 25. Therefore, x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 7. Here, this will be subtracted. X square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 25. Subtract it. Here, 0. This will be minus 3xy. Here is equal to, this also will be 0. Here, minus 18. Both sides divided by minus 3. Here cancel, this will be cancel 6. Xy is equal to 6. Therefore, see here, both side divided by y. Y cancel here. X is equal to 6 divided by y. Therefore, recall that x plus y is equal to 5. Here x value 6 plus y plus y. Here x is 6 divided by y. 6 divided by y plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, here multiply with y both side. 6 into y divided by y plus y into y is equal to 5y. Here cancel. Left it 6 plus y square is equal to 5y. After that, this come this side. Therefore, y square minus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, y square minus 3, factorize it, 3y minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. 2 pair. Here y take common, y minus 3 into, here minus 2 bracket open, left it, y minus 3 is equal to 0. Here y minus 3, y minus 3, y minus 3 take common, left it, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here two condition arise. First, y is equal to 3. Here y is equal to 2. Therefore, see here, next step, x1 is equal to 6 divided by 3, that will be cancelled 2. Here x1 is equal to 2. Here x2 is equal to 6 divided by 2, this will be cancelled 3 times. Therefore, x2 is equal to 3. After that, x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma 3. x2 y2 is equal to 3 comma 2. Recall that a power, here 3 power a divided by 3 is equal to x. 2 power a divided by 3 is equal to y. Therefore, 3 power a divided by 3 is equal to 2. 2 power a divided by 3 is equal to 3. See here, power are, base are different. Therefore, due to different base, no integer solution, so they will be rejected. Case 2, x2 y2 is equal to 3 comma 2. Therefore, 3 power a divided by 3 is equal to 3, and 2 power a divided by 3 is equal to 2. Here base power is 1. Therefore, base are same, power are different. Therefore, a divided by 3 is equal to 1. Here also a divided by 3 is equal to 1. Both side multiply with 3. Here 3 cancel, left it, a is equal to 3. This also a divided by 3 is equal to 1. Both side multiply with 3. Cancel. A is equal to 3. Therefore, let's check in this value will be correct or not. 3 power a plus 2 power a is equal to 35. Here question, a value 3. Therefore, 3 power 3 plus 2 power 3 is equal to 35. 3 power 3 is 27. 2 power 3, that is 8, is equal to 35. 27 plus 8, that is 35, is equal to 35. LH and RH both are equal. So the value of A is 3 are correct for this solution. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Once you review how to solving this problem. Take care. Bye bye.